is Chi, Maria Speaks, and we are here at Santa Barbara Magiling Elementary School. Today, we're going to find out what makes this school the best. Let's find out. Have you ever wondered what makes SBMS the best school? Maybe their teachers, their students, the cleanliness of the school, or the safety of the school. Or maybe all. Let's see. So today we are here with Katie Panaliga. So Katie, why did you choose to study here at SBMS?
Nag-aral ako rito sa SBMS dahil ang kanilang programa ay napakalawak. Hindi lamang sila nag-focus sa academic at edukasyon, ngunit sumasali rin sila sa journalism, sports at iba pa.
Thank you, Katie.
Teachers, not only the teachers, our stakeholders, yung mga parents na tumutulong sa amin in maintaining the cleanliness of our school. And yun na, overall, ayusan, kalinisan ng aming paaralan, not only with the supervision and with the management of Ma'am Sheila Saking, with all the help of our parents. Importante talaga yung mga parents na palaging nandito sa kanila tulungan. Thank you!
Thank you, ma'am. Well, as a former SB mission, I think that this school is the best because of their unity, cooperation, and support for each other. They also subscribe to my channel. Thank you!